Hello everyone, and for today's video I'm going to give you a tip how to save your leftover roast meat. So I'm using a leftover of roast lamb. I'm going to grind it and use it as a stuffing. And also I have a round zucchini and tomatoes to use for the stuffing. I'm going to scoop out all the flesh, same as the tomatoes. And then after we scoop out all the flesh and make a hole, I'm going to chop all the flesh and use it as a stuffing later. So once done, we're going to fry the minced lamb that I grind earlier. Fry them well until cooked. Mix the zucchini and the chopped tomatoes. And then once done, let it cool down. And then once cooled down, I put 1 egg, toast bread, shredded cheese, and basil. And then I use a chopped tomato as a base. And then now we're going to put all the meat inside the vegetables. And then put some olive oil. And now we're going to bake it for 180 degrees for about 30 to 40 minutes. And here you go guys, our recycled leftover roast lamb are done.